I think the first thing that you want to do in this situation is to find a certified vinyl installer, someone that knows all the parts and pieces to the vinyl siding. They understand how they fit on your house and can explain that. They understand the warranties that are associated with that vinyl siding as well. You're going to want someone that is going to take the time to inspect your house once the old siding is off. What we're looking for is any rot or anything that might be compromised that may affect how that siding is installed. You're going to want somebody that's going to take the time to inspect all of that and correct any rot, any issues along the way. And you also are going to want to make sure that whoever you're dealing with, that you're dealing with someone that is going to be willing to tell you when vinyl siding isn't appropriate for your particular situation, right? There are some situations where vinyl siding doesn't work, and there's some situations where it does. You're going to want somebody that is open and honest with you about that.